такое? 24 февраля 23
24 февраля 23 года.
Yo. Nice Eminem.
Yeah, son.
What up, Paul?
What up?
Wake up show style.
Yes.
We'll take him back, kid. The future. Let's take him back to the future. Bars.
24 февраля 23 года плюс 1 КП.
Yo, I had class, I just got expelled. I excelled at nothing in school. So if you're trying to test my patience, it just failed. But King Mathers, I still get held. So call me sire like I exhaled after I had a deep ass breath held. I guess well, that I make my size double XL. So kiss your highness's hind ass when I'm trying to stretch. It's time to exercise. I'm flexing isometrics twice the reps till I get extra sized and set my bison pecs and triceps on fire. Cause I'm coming out guns blaze like flaming pythons. My suggestion is parental discretion. Be advised due to this mental aggression. Be advised you to back up like Byron left with. I'm infected. I rhyme like I got a sinus infection. A virus, I'm congested. I just ingested 5 layers. The side effects from these antidepressants that's trying to mess with my mind. I'm a regular hide and Jekyll. White with freckles by the silent hecklers. You might go to head for the fire exits. I'm coming through like a wrecking ball. You would swear I think highly of Miley, and I respect her the way I backhand her. Excuse my French, Montana, but I am worried about nothing. God damn it, I'm the sex. I drive a Lex, Texas out of her mind, and I'm in Texas with a chainsaw. Wait, what did I forget this time? On my Mercedes, getting upset. He said he was ready for me to come get him from inside the shed. It was time. It's resting.
Check it out. Y'all niggas got me fucked up. Niggas must think I'm Lloyd Banks or Young Buck. Don't press your dumb luck. I got my gun tucked. Cause I don't like how niggas did nip. I guess it's time to show these niggas what it is. Lyrically, lyrically, spiritually, here in the flesh. How I'm not top 5, niggas appear to be deaf. So I throw up gang signs, you understand me now? Keep sleeping, I'll put you where you can't be found. Where you can rest eternally, and you can't hear a sound. And your oldest son the head of your family now. Fuck 'em, cause we headed to Miami now. And it's a hit boy beat, fucking hand me down. No more freestyling over other nigga shit. I'm on some bigger shit. It make the beat, then I get on some jigger shit. Cause when I hit a rock, I'm getting involved. If I gotta get a rock chain from the middle of the mall, nigga put a diamond tester to it, he getting hurt. If a bitch ass, I told a soldier boy did it first. Yeah, I'm back in business, and this time I'm not leaving till the crack diminish, till the fentanyl dry and the veins don't stick out, and the nigga quest love take the afro pick out. Back to my roots, freestyling to these black thoughts, black Balenciaga Adidas, gassing up the track car. Or I'm out in Paris snatching bitches off the catwalk.
Плюс 3 КП. 24 февраля 23 года.
Let the cat talk, underground, underdog, sword to the asphalt. I stepped to all the dope niggas, they never seen crack walk. Ain't no competition, so Kendrick went to Africa. Ain't no competition, Cole went and got his baskets up. But I'm here masking up with the masking tape. Fiends knocking on the door, we closed, don't ask for Ye. See an aftermath chain, then don't ask for Dre. I'm a legend now, fuck when I pass away. Can't put the effing down, up then I blast away. Break his legs, stuff his shoulders in, no casket space. Nah, I'm lying, it's just my rap alter ego. The DA listening, trying to hit a thug with the Rico. Know I be with gunners, know I keep the heat close. You can't relate cause you ain't see what I seen in that peephole. So dig a sinkhole, throw every nigga that rap in it. Cause ever since they killed Pop Smoke, there been a gap in it. Throw all that cap in it, lying about the trap in it. Throw all these pussy niggas beefing on these apps in it. And I'm abstinent, giving no fucks, nigga. It's all love, like I'm sitting here with Puff, nigga. You can hate me now, but I won't stop now. Come on. I am the nigga they never mention in they hip-hop conventions. Know why? Cause I remind them of the trenches. So I must be Candyman of the era. Niggas won't say my name in the song or the mirror. Cause I reflect on my past and my mishaps. My right hand still with my dick at. Middle finger up, flick that. Tell my new bitch sniff that. That's your best friend. I broke her off like a Kit Kat. Come on, gang. Where the bricks at? Nah, we ain't selling those. And I still fuck with Ye. But we selling clothes, you niggas selling dreams. I wake you up to a nightmare like me, Freddie, Jason, and Michael Myers right there. There's new niggas running around like this is s'kaZki. Call yourself Simba, you learn from Mufasa. And I understand you think you nice and you trying things, but if you say you better than me, then you the Lion King.
He wants to make blood shed like a storage unit, but before I do it, let me think this through. Cause if I behead this bitch, then I behead this. Mic check. 1, 2. I ain't barely checked the mic just yet, and I just swear like twice as many times in less than 90 seconds than Andrew fucking Dice ever did in his fucking life. But I guess I'm expected to make these kinds of violent records. That's why I keep rhyming reckless. Fuck it, I swear, like a diamond necklace. Since freestyling over phone tap, my lines connected. Rhymes that kept in touch with the fans. That's why the more bars, the better my reception. And I give a fuck about sales. Fuck pop, I don't even like refreshments. Cindy Crawford trying to bend me off with a bendy straw at the Waffle House. Awful mouth, but if you don't like what I'm talking about, then block me out. Just then, Foxy Brown walks up and knocks me down, kicks me and socks me. Ow! Apparently still mad about what I said last year. On that Vegas track, I just look stupid and stand there and try to act like I can't hear. What? Sorry, dear, but I think Pam Grier just stuck a tampon in my damn ear. That's when my man Denon Porter ran behind me to pantomime that if you want to kick his ass, stand in line. Taking advantage of Brandy and Janet by grabbing my Spanish fly like a blind Hispanic guy with his zipper stuck. Give a fuck, it's all part of my grand design.
Ask about me, don't clash or doubt me. I make your favorite rapper come pick up trash around me. Used to walk around New York, wear a rag around me. That was my DMX dog tag around me. Never keep it twisted, cause I keep a bag around me. I still jack rappers if they brag around me. Keep it private, everything first class around me. Like a backwood, ops don't last around me. Lemon on the head of the drum, we make lemonade. One gun, plastic slug, then it disintegrate. Disappeared into the crowd like I'm in a raid. And go missing like the crack when I'm in a raid. I do dirt like I'm in the grave and fuck this rap shit. This ain't even how I'm getting paid. 1, 2, attention to the center stage. Fuck you, I'm back to my killing ways. 3, 4 niggas with me, then they probably strapped. Shoe turning backwards like just LA Dodger hat. Trigger finger twitching, bullets spin them like a laundromat. Like an internet lagging, killing where they spawn them at. I'm bad for your health, you scared to die, hypochondriac? Pussy nigga gets you itchy, hit him with the monostat. Cause once we going in, it ain't no falling back. And if the Draco on my lap, you know I'm in that Donda Black. Extra clip with a bomb at. Might as well kill him if I'ma end up with Jeffrey Dahmer at. That's crazy. Cause last night I was with Madonna at, with some supermodels, ass and hit, where the condoms at. Shit, I gotta stay protected. This LA, they take your life before they take your necklace. Take the gun apart, spread the pieces, make the exit. Take the clothes off, burn them, then they make the exit. Look around this motherfucker, it's like we still in the 80s. Everybody with the shit, it's like 1 billion to baby. I've been drilling for this feeling, my adrenaline safety. I'm the black Slim Shady, I've been killing them lately.
To get Amanda Bynes to come and fucking blow me like a dandelion. Better watch your step, you about to cross an outlandish mind. I'm what you get if Aaron Hernandez rhymes. So stand aside unless you plan to find out how handy I am with a branding iron. Fuck talking clear, so you walk in here. I'd rather rap like a fucking auctioneer. Fuck around and walk from here to the Southpaw premiere. Get on Paul's back, rapping Paul Revere. So call me queer, cause I'm always weird. So praise the genius. Focus don't get taken out of text. But Hillary, I promise to wipe my server clean. If you face subpoenas, got a name that speaks for itself. Like Anthony Weiner, hands in between my pants in the theater, jacking my meat up. Banadrina, Angelina, and Christina, and Serena, and Selena, Scarlett Johansson, Tiffany Amber Thiessen. Give me a damn good reason to not want to slip an Ambien in a cappuccino and try to have a threesome with Janet Reno. I fuck worse than Donald Trump on Lexapro in Mexico. Across from a Texaco at McDonald's drunk, broken out of gas, busted water pump, getting fondled up by Ronald, feeling him on his rump. Oh yeah, and me and Alyssa Milano hump. We do. Bringing the horror to MCs like the aura of the Run DMC Fedora, Adidas and Diodorus. But I need at least 3 to 4 of those Rita Auras in a 4-seater Taurus. I'm telling my face is the best seat in the house. I let them bleed in my mouth while I'm eating them out. Heat-seeking missile duck. Demented, sick, hate and see who gives a fuck. I invented prick. And this a true statement. I see the...
Кто-то отведал нижнюю сказку Вандервиль. Ну а верхняя была настоящая сказка.
Bitchin' you, Caitlin. I keep the pistol tucked like Bruce Jenner's dick. No disrespect though. Not at all. No pun intended. That took a lot of balls.
Эксклюзив какой. Свежо. Красиво. Плюс 3 КП. Йоу-йоу. Масштаб, конечно, большущий, но то, что я сегодня, 24 февраля, 23-го года увидел Вандервиль. Это совершенно другой масштаб. Там помноженное на 100, на 500. Да, на 400, на 500 помноженное. Вот здесь вот выкат Смотрим. И вот здесь вот здесь вот. А мы сегодня вот там вот катались.